up guys, I'm Mangs from Blister. I've got some stuff here to cook. Bit lazy to cook today, so I'm gonna ask Biggie to cook for me. Let's go. Hey.
Hey, the Super Mario, how are you lah? Coming balls, or me and the balls and whatnot. Let me take a look, let's see what you got for me from your home. This is quite a lot from your home.
Yeah.
By looking at this, I think I have an idea of what we're going to do and make you stomach full.
Yeah.
So why not come follow me to the kitchen, eh? Let's go.
Thanks.
Let's go. Salam satu Malaysia. This is me, Mr. Big, coming at you. YMCA, Young Man Cook, also Crab TV. Alright, earlier I said Mario, but he's more well known as Mang. So everybody say hi to Mang from Blister. What's up, boss?
Yeah, what's up, man?
People at home, kalau terasa apa tu boss, is nothing offensive or whatnot. It's just how me and his clique.
Yeah.
What's up, boss?
What's up, boss?
Originally Blister, from the Portuguese settlement,
Yeah.
Melaka. So Melaka represent today.
Yep.
But before that, what we're going to cook is your typical from the roadside you can find Kueh Tiao Kung Fu. Alright, Kueh Tiao Kung Fu. So what we're going to have for you is obviously your Kueh Tiao. Lovely. This is a whole packet tau. Me and Mangs share half.
Yeah.
That's it. We've got your chicken, alright, and we've got your prawns and your squid. Okay, sotong dengan udang, and your onion and your garlic mesti ada for the base. Your eggs to end it later, and chili padi. You like it spicy?
Of course.
See, Max like it spicy. Your corn flour, and obviously your essentials. You must eat your veggies. Okay, we've got baby corn, baby carrot, and sawi. So Max, you ready to start work or not?
Let's do this.
Let's start, Max.
Alright.
Suddenly you want to say sad story about blister ke apa kan, sambil potong bawang tu jangan nangis tau.
Confirm try lah.
Confirm cry lah. How's the band?
It's good.
Yeah?
Just finished recording our first album.
There you go.
So
That's always
almost out already lah.
Almost is when?
Hopefully by the next quarter or so.
Oh, there you go. Okay, if you do a launching, would it be in Melaka because of where you are from? Maybe that's the main factor, or you want to do it here in KL?
I think we'll have a few states, like a few major ones, like so. Basically, we'll go to the south.
Yeah, sounds always good, huh?
Yeah,
They accept any music.
Yes.
Okay, Mangs is having a bit of difficulty, but never mind. I'll help him. No worries. How you like it lah? How
Love it.
spicy?
I love it very spicy.
So how many chili padi you want? This is on your pot request. I got 4 right now.
I think let's put 6 lah.
Okay, one more. 6 people at home. Ingat ini is based on your own tekak. Alright. Got the carrots here. I'll help you with the carrots. Maybe we're not going to use everything lah.
How many anak jagung?
I don't know how many anak jagung. How many anak you want? Oh, that's different question. Alright. Sorry it took us that long to cut everything, sebab memang inti ni banyak. Alright. So you want to know what's next? We're gonna go cook up the sauce and the kueh tiao. We're gonna start right now with kueh tiao kung fu. So what we're gonna do first?
Do some kung fu.
Yes. Come, let's do lah. Okay. Come on. Gonna break a couple of eggs. Pecahkan telur. Oops. Okay, we're gonna beat this. Kita akan beat dia. Alright, always beat sideways guys. Tidak telur takkan rata je telur dadah. Beat sideways macam ni. So what we're going to do is sekarang saya nak panaskan heat up the pan. Okay, tunggu dia panas. Remember kita panaskan kejap je. Just for a while. When it's time to cook, slow the fire. You don't want to burn the kueh tiao. That's very important. Okay, let it drill from the side because we don't want. Alright, so what we'll do now, we take the kueh tiao. Okay. Look at that lah. Oi, parah. Wow, maybe too big for now. But never mind. Kecilkan api. Woo! House is on fire. There you go. Kita gaul. Actually, it doesn't take a lot of minyak. Tak payah banyak minyak pun tak apa. Kita goreng macam ni. Bagi telur tu garing with the kueh tiao. Well, it's going to be a lot to pick up. See a little bit of unwanted stuff there. Basically, you're browning the kway teow as well lah. You're not cooking it to full with like char kway teow or anything like that because you're gonna put gravy after this.
All is well, I thought I put the egg at the end of everything and mix.
With the sauce also another egg will do. I will show you that later. So we get main sikit macam ni. Flip it off. That's how it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to look like lah. Okay. Maybe you can bring me one plate there, the bottom one. Few mangs. A bit more. Kena browning dia. Can I make that? It's like rock and roll. Panas sikit je. But it won't hurt you. There you go. We put this to the side. And you might see us later. No, you not mine. You will see us later because this is not the ending. We're gonna come back again with the sauce and ready to eat. Ready, Mangs?
Ready.
E80 yeet. Okay, kway teow dah siap. Alright, we got the kway teow done. And it's time for the sauce. We're gonna use back the same pot. So, oil there already. A bit more oil because you're gonna saute like onions and garlics. Okay. Oops. It's very jumpy, my goodness. Alright, your onions, your garlic, your chili padi, tumis dulu. Saute that first. Alright. Now the aroma is there. We're gonna go with the chicken because chicken takes a bit more longer to cook. You hear that, man? Chili padi taking effect. Excuse me, people at home. Okay. You look at that. There's your chicken. This is by far, as a bujang, like the most like, how do you say, full meal ever you're gonna get lah.
Yeah.
Because normally at home right, the chicken you can barely have chicken.
Bujang lepas gaji lah.
That's the word. Next are the seafood. Let me tell you, this is a very fulfilling dish lah. Oh yes. Oh yes. What am I doing to myself? Oh. This may seem torture, but it's gonna be very, very delicious. Alright. We're gonna add water a little later. Letak air lepas ni. The squid halfway. Let's add in the water. Okay. So you go there. I will do the whole bottle because we're gonna thicken it up later. About done. But what we're gonna do is add the vegetables. Okay, baby corn, the sawi, and the baby carrot. Oh, baby carrot is feeling a bit jumpy.
Don't forget your greens, guys.
Oh yes, from Rockstar itself.
Yeah.
Don't forget your greens. Alright, so what we're going to do now is add your corn flour. Remember orang bujang jangan terus taruh because how you fix corn flour is with water first. Jangan terus masuk serbuk. Okay. This is all of the bowl So it might be a bit thick, but there's no way. See? You see guys, bila dia jatuh, not really watery. Okay? I got oyster sauce here, just a little bit. Go with there. Just put it in. There you go. You hear the bloop 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 bloop. It's like a mad professor in here, a mad scientist. Okay, everybody at home, here's your final product, Kway Teow Kung Fu YMCA style Crab TV. Thank you very much, Mangs of Blister. Yeah, the man, you know, Mad Pipes. Thank you sebab Kung Fu dengan aku.
Yes.
High five to that, rock on always. This has been me, Mr. Big, signing out for YMCA Young Man Cook also, only on Crab TV. See you guys on the next episode.